How much for these stuff? $1 billion. What?
I made cheese.
I can get rid of this iPad. I can get rid of this thing. How did? Oh my god! Anyways, this tape is up.
No.
What are you even doing?
I want to see you
This is
have
sheep.
that cheese.
I'm gonna throw everything away except the apple.
Look.
Oh.
Vinegar.
The controller landed it, but I don't need it. How much for the apple?
ABC total.
Just one. Just 1 rand. Gives 1 rand. See you later. Woo! Oh. Ouchie.
Yogurt. Yogurt. Vinegar.
Oh, and actually, I want all of the stuff. That's still going to be $1 million if you buy all the stuff from the Apple. You are there, beep, beep, beep. Woo!